Hey guys, welcome to the video. And in the last few videos we've seen that how we can create an Amazon instance and log into our server. So here is our server and I've logged into the server and it's still a fresh installation and I've done nothing to it. So now in this video we're gonna install VestaCP. So before installing VestaCP there are some things we have to do, some bootstrapping things that we have to do to all the VPS after install it. So for this, just follow along. First we have to log in as super user, so we'll write sudo su and then we will give a apt update, hit enter, and this will update our server. I'm pausing the video. Here the update is done, then we will run apt upgrade and hit enter, hit Y, enter, and yeah, I'll pause the video until it finishes. Here now our update and upgrade is finished, so now we can install our control panel. So to install Vesta we have to go to the website of VestaCP. I'll search it, VestaCP.com, click over here and click on install. So to install it, here we'll come and see, we can see that we have to log into a server. So we've already logged in into a server, then we have to run this and this command. It's as simple as that. And also there are some requirements where you can see that. Also here there are some other advanced steps. We'll not go to there, we'll stick on the default process. We'll copy this and then we'll come to the server and paste. Sometimes this command may not run into your server, so what you have to do is we have to remove this curl and we have to write w get, but here I will try curl. I will hit enter, and here we have downloaded a file, will ls, and we can see that vstinstall.sh has been downloaded to our server. And after that what we have to do is only copy this command and paste it and hit enter. Oh wait, yeah, we have to paste this and we have to give a flag false because sometimes some things may conflict. So yeah, we'll run this command and see, this is the it's installing Vesta and it's prompting something, but here we can see that what this Vesta will install for us. It will install Nginx web server, Apache web server as backend, and many things, DevCode, MySQL, then SoftCLOS plugin. So it's prompting that would you like to continue? Yeah, obviously. Then enter your email address. So let me give an email address. I'm hitting enter. Okay, so it's prompting that do I have a host name. So yeah, I have we.fun. You can do if you have any domain already purchased, so you can give over here and hit enter, and yeah, the installation will take up to 15 minutes. It doesn't take 15 minutes, it takes 5 to 10 minutes, but we can wait. So okay, I'm pausing the video and I will come back after it's installed. Here our Vesta has been installed, and to log into our Vesta the username, password and the login information has been given. So this is nothing but our IP address :8083. We'll enter here and we will see an error. So what is this? No need to worry about, we have not installed SSL, so we are getting an error. So we have to click on advanced and click on proceed and save, and here is our Vesta login panel. So I'll write admin and the password there it's given. I'll copy it, I'll paste it over here, I'll click on login. Wait, what is invalid over here? let me write this. God, what I'm doing. OCSSTOPEBD, and here we have logged into the Vesta panel, and one by one I will go through all of the features and what we can do with this on the upcoming videos. So from now this site can be reached because we have not installed any of the websites over here. So upcoming videos will be how we can add domain to our panel, and we can do various other things with the panel and stuff like that. So stay tuned.